Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of how to guide. In this video we're gonna take a look at how to share full reel on Instagram story. You may have noticed that when you try to share your reel to your Instagram story through this method, if you tap on add to reel, it will be added to your story, but however the full reel would not play. Even though the video limit of Instagram stories is 60 seconds, you cannot post longer Instagram reels on your story using this method. So in this case, what you need to do is download the reel through a third-party website. Only this way you can add in the reels without having any problem. So you'll need to first tap on the share icon again and tap on copy link. Once this link has been copied, you can now open up your web browser, search for Instagram Reels downloader, and you can use any of these websites. I'm going to choose the first website, paste in the link that you just copied in, and tap on download. Now you can again see this section, tap on download video, and this video or this reel will be downloaded to your phone. Now once the video has been downloaded, you can now open up your Instagram and tap on your stories and upload a normal story as you do. But the issue with this also is if the person has a private account on Instagram, you won't be able to download these reels. So in this case, the only last option that you have is to screen record the reel that you see. So that is the only option left in this case. So that was the exact video on how to share full reel on Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.